If your Android's internet is slow or you keep facing network issues again and again, then in this video, I'll show you step by step how to reset network settings and solve all the problems. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So just like always, let's start from the beginning. First of all, go to your phone settings. In Settings, scroll down and find the General Management option. Then open it. Inside General Management, scroll down and you'll find the Reset option. But here you need to understand which reset you should choose, because there are many different types of resets. So don't make the mistake of skipping the video. From the Reset options, select Reset Network Settings. This option clears only Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. It helps fix connection problems by restoring them to default. Now press the Reset Settings button. It may ask for your PIN or password, so just give permission. Finally, press the Reset button, and your network settings will be reset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.